Competence-based assembly training in virtual reality. Complex assembly tasks are a common feature of many industrial settings. Training capable of being adapted to the progress and needs of individual trainees can be especially useful, offering a flexible solution that supports both beginners and more experienced workers. Flanders Make has recently developed VR software that tracks performance and training history. This allows it to provide a personalized, adaptive experience that responds to the trainee's skill level for each step of the assembly sequence. Using eye and hand tracking, it assesses the trainee's competence on individual tasks in real time. The software then dynamically adjusts the support offered, such as digital work instructions, DWIs, component highlighting, and target location highlighting. Our studies have shown this personalized approach to be far more efficient than traditional methods. Comparisons of competence-based and non-competence-based training showed mental load was reduced by 28%, perceived effort by 43%, frustration levels by 60%, time pressure by 37%, while performance increased by 31%. This demo shows an example of this competence-based VR training on a screen. On our symposium, you could try it yourself by assembling an electrical cabinet.